Okay, good morning, kids.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Come on, wake up at 7 o'clock. Yes, wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. You need to wake up now. Come on. Yes, Erika Dubon, wake up, Erika. Come on.
Mister, everyone's sleepy.
Come on, but it's hot. The weather is perfect. Yes. Erika is sleeping. Yes, Erika, because she's sleeping, she's going to make up a story. Yes. All right, just to wake up. Yeah. Beautiful. All right, guys. Yeah, this morning, today, we are going to, so Sam's coming. We're going to continue with your presentations, okay? Presentations, and then we're gonna learn something about the next story. Yes. Okay, let's say, Everett, are you ready?
Yes, Mister.
Everybody else, yes.
Can you see the draw?
Yes, sir.
The respiratory system. The process of the respiratory system starts when you inhale, and the air enters to the body through the mouth or the nose. Then it passes to the larynx and then to the trachea. The trachea is divided in bronchi tubes. These tubes are connected with the lungs. When the air enters to the lungs, it goes to the bronchioles. Then it goes to the alveoli, and the alveoli put the air in the blood. The blood goes to the heart, and the heart pumps and expand blood to the body. When the body absorbs the oxygen, the blood carries the carbon dioxide back to the lungs, where it's removed when a person exhales.
Good. Very good, Ever. Very good. Let me see. Profe, se me fue la luz. Está costando. I don't know who is this. Yo les digo, escriban su nombre porque.
Mister, I know who's that. I think it's Luis.
Okay, pero Luis ya entró. Yes. Okay, beautiful. Thank you, Ever. Good presentation, Ever. Short, but very accurate. Scarlett, are you ready, Scarlett?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
The respiratory system. The respiratory system is the set of organs that living beings have with the intention of exchanging gases with the environment. Its structure and function is highly variable, depending on the type of the organism and its habitat. The parts: nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, bronchioles, alveoli, diaphragm, bronchi, lungs, and trachea. Thank you.
All right, very good. Yes, Scarlett, yes. Let me go down here. Go to who. Brittany is not here. Let me go down here. Kaylee. Kaylee Franco.
Yes, Mister.
Okie dokie. Excellent.
The respiratory system or respiratory system is a set of organs that living being possess in order to exchange gas with the environment. Its structure and function and highly variable depending on the type of organism of its ability.
Good. Excellent. Good effort. Yes, you got it, Kaylee. I'm gonna go down here with Daniel. It's not in yet, you know? Okay. I'm gonna go to then Angela.
Mister, yo perdí la hoja, solo encuentro la del digestive system.
Perdiste la hoja.
Sí, solo la del digestive system encuentro.
Ok. ¿Va a encontrarla ahorita? Pues tiene todavía 20 minutos para encontrarla. Yes, beautiful. Excellent. Okay, let's go to Mari Carmen. Excuse me. Mari Carmen? She's out again. Just to say her name, that's all. Mari Carmen. Let's see. She is gone. Again. Did she stay for like 2 minutes? Yeah. Okay. Got 2, 3. Danielle is not here. Ooh, yes. Emily. Yes, Emily. Return.
Can you see?
Of course. And it's beautiful. Beautiful drawing.
The, wait. The respiratory system. The respiratory system is the system that helps the body maintain the system with air for life. The respiratory system is conformed for the nose, pharynx, larynx, bronch, diaphragm, lungs, windpipe, and trachea. Thank you.
Good. Very good. Like it. Excellent. Okay. So you got Jose Pablo.
Yes, mister.
Okay. All right. Yes. You should have painted. Okay, go ahead.
The respiratory system is the system of our body, of the human body, responsible to distribute the oxygen that the human inhales and exhales the carbon dioxide. The respiratory system is composed trachea, bronchioles, alveoli, bronchi, lungs, and diaphragm.
Very good. Very good. Now, next. Good job, Mr. Jose Pablo. Now I'm gonna go to the next student, maybe Derek. Derek?
Yeah, mister.
Okay, are you ready, Derek?
No, profe.
No. Huh?
I don't work.
You didn't do it?
No, profe, I don't work. Right.
You don't work?
No, bro.
You didn't do it?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, I didn't do it.
Ah, okay. It means no, I didn't do it. You can't answer yes, I didn't do it. Sí, no lo hice, that's incorrect, okay? This no lo hice, okay? So this is why we are having so much trouble of learning English, because we speak like backwards. Negative means no. Yes? Okay, so, and then Luis Alejandro. Luis Alejandro. Ya se me fue otra vez.
Mr. Luis Alejandro doesn't have light, Mr. or energy.
Ah, the energy was out. Yes. Okay, Derek, for tomorrow. Yes. Who else here?
Hi, mister.
Who else do I have here? Angela, did you find it?
No.
No, okay. What am I gonna do? You guys don't like the points. Yes. Okay, Brittany didn't make it today, okay? Oh yes, Brittany, you're here. Brittany. Brittany. I saw her, man, but she's gone again. Okay. Got out. For some reason. Beautiful. The students that didn't do it yesterday or today, please, you have the last chance for tomorrow, and that's it. If tomorrow you don't do it, you're gonna lose your points, okay? Okay, beautiful. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can. We're gonna move on to our next story. Yes, but first of all, let me ask something about this. Yes, Angel Pais.
Yes.
Angel. Oh, I need you to take off the hat, baseball cap.
Okay, I'm going to leave it. Just wait me a second.
Huh?
Wait me a second, I'm going to leave it.
Yes, and put a shirt on. Ah, okay, good, excellent. Yes, Jorge Yen.
Yes, mister?
Yes, Jorge, what do you know about the moon? Yes,
The
have you
moon.
heard stories about the moon?
What, mister?
Have you heard stories? Stories?
Yes, some leyendas of ancient people.
Yes?
I don't know them.
A dog to go to the moon.
Moon. Yes, Millie? Church?
I know a story where they say that there was a fierce female dog going to the moon. I don't know her name. But
Yes.
I think it was Apollo.
Apollo, there were many missions. Of Apollo. Okay, Apollo 1 and Apollo, I think it was 13. Yes, many missions. But Sebastian, how many times have we humans been onto the moon?
Many of them.
I don't know.
No, really. I've only been there once.
Well, yeah, but they were kind of much people. But not.
Only the humans have put their feet only once. Yes, I mean only one time. Can you believe it? And it's not really far away. It's close. Yes. Okay, we're gonna see if we can watch this video. Let me see here. Yes.
Did you know that the moon keeps moving further and further away from the Earth? The moon moves away from the Earth 3.8 centimeters each year. We know this because
Wow, so that means the moon is moving away from.
Mister, can you go less volume to the video, please?
Yes, okay, good.
one of our journeys to space, astronauts left on the surface of the moon some reflectors. From the Earth, scientists beamed some lasers into space that bounced off the reflectors and returned back to our planet. Thanks to the journey of the lasers, scientists could measure the exact distance between the moon and the Earth. The moving away of the moon makes each day longer. A long time ago, when the moon was a lot closer to the Earth, days lasted about 5 hours. But as our satellite moved further away, each day got longer until reaching 24.
Wow, this is interesting, right? A long time ago, the days had only 5 hours. So because the moon was very close to the planet. It was like really, it rotated like very fast. Now in this case, now it's far away. It's farther, and then it takes 24 hours.
Hours. Did you know that if we were on the moon, we would weigh 6 times less? In fact, if a person weighed 60 kilos on the Earth, on the moon, they would only weigh 10 kilos. This is due to gravity. Gravity is a force which attracts other objects, either on the moon or on the Earth. This attraction depends on mass. As the Earth is 6 times bigger than the moon, it is to say, it has 6 times more mass, it attracts other objects with 6 times more strength. It is clear that on the moon, we would all feel lighter. Did you know that if you drop a hammer and a feather on the moon from the same height, they will both land at the same time? As Galileo predicted more than 4 centuries ago, in an environment without air, like on the moon, there is no resistance on objects. So, they will land at the same time, even if their weight and masses are different. During the Apollo 15 mission, the astronaut David Scott dropped from the same height a hammer and a hawk's feather. As there is no resistance because there is no air on the moon, both objects landed on the ground at practically the same time, showing that the predictions Galileo had in the 16th century were correct.
Interesting, huh? Yes. Did you see the feather with the hammer? You see it? Guys, answer. Yes, answer.
Yes.
You go like this. Yeah, you had a microphone and then just say yes. Yes. When you have this, and then what happened when they let both things go? It dropped at the same time. Why?
Because there's no resistance in the moon.
Aha. Because there isn't any gravity, right? There isn't any gravity on the moon. So did you see the holes on the moon? Many holes? Like this? Do you know why?
Yes.
Why is the moon like that? Jiramel? Jiramel, do you know why does the moon have many holes?
And for because the moon is much lighter of the earth and has a higher gravity.
Okay. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Erika, do you know the answer?
Because the moon have gravity or not have, I confused with that, but the gravity,
Maybe you're saying atmosphere. Atmosphere.
oh,
Does the moon have atmosphere, guys?
No.
No, right? So imagine an object, a flying object that is coming like this, and then where is it going to land? On the moon. Poof. Another object, poof, and poof. I mean, there is nothing to such as atmosphere to protect it, to protect the moon. That means that anything that is going to pass by the moon is going to hit it. Boom, 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 boom. And then it has a lot of craters. Craters are called. Good. Now this is the beginning of our next story. Okay, let me see if we can get it right here. Things about moon. Where is it? Yes. Here, a moon. I'm gonna just ask here very, let me see if I can have this. Okay, good, good, good. Ana Portas, you're here. Ana.
Yes.
Ana Portas, I'm sorry, I didn't ask for your presentation. Do you have your presentations, Ana?
Mr. Look, I don't know what happened to because the light is going out since Saturday night.
Okay. The presentation was about the respiratory system. On your platform and on your photo, you can find the video there. Okay, watch the video and prepare a presentation for tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. All right, beautiful. Okay, Diego, what is the moon?
The moon is a circle in the space.
Good. If I ask this question again, what is the moon?
The moon is Earth's satellite.
Yes, very nice. The moon is Earth's satellite. Yes. Yes, Jose Paulo, what is a satellite?
A satellite orbits or goes around a large object.
Very nice. Good. Catherine Rukun, what is gravity? Catherine, every time when I ask Catherine, she's like, bye-bye. Have you noticed that? Yes. Daniela, what is gravity?
It's a force which pull objects
Objects together.
together.
Yes. First, it pulls objects together like this. Push, push. Do you know how the planet Earth orbits? Yes, around the sun. It's because the sun's gravity pulls down eight planets. Yes, pulls and have them together all the time, like in the same position, because of the sun's gravity. Yes. Beautiful. I'm gonna go right here because she's gone. Yes, Carlos Ramirez, what is a diameter?
Is the distance from one side of a circle to the other.
Yes, excellent. Yes, I'm gonna go right here. Millie, what is an axis? Emily?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mister.
Emily?
I was just visiting. Oh.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. An axis is an imaginary line through the moon from pole to pole.
Paul, yes. Emily now. The thing is that it sounds like Millie, but when I say Emily, right? Almost the same. Sorry, Emily. Now, can you tell me what is a meteorite?
The meteorite is a rock which hits the moon for a space.
Yes, hits the moon.
It's the moon.
It hits the moon. That's a meteorite. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. Yes. I'm gonna go right here with the, let me see. Angela, what is a telescope? Or the telescope. What can you tell me about the telescope? Angela? Angelo, yes. Okay.
The telescope was invented in
1600s.
1600 people.
Right there, it's okay, no, right there. Yes, so the telescope was invented in the 1600s. Yes, excellent. All right, beautiful, excellent. All right, good. Now we have this right here. So everybody knows that the moon is the Earth's.
Is Earth's satellite.
Good. A satellite orbits or goes around a larger
Object.
object. Very nice. The moon's orbit is not a perfect
Circle.
Circle.
Yes, sometimes it is farther away from Earth than at other times. So that means it's not perfect. Sometimes it's like this, like this, like this, like this. So it's like really going like this. So the circle is not like a perfect circle, like the planets, right? Sometimes, okay, gravity. Yes, sometimes it is farther from the Earth than the other times. Good. Gravity pulls the Earth and the moon close together. Gravity is a force which pulls objects
Together.
together. Good. The moon's gravity is 1/6 that of Earth. That means it's very small compared to the Earth. A person or object is pulled down to the surface of the moon with only 1/6 the force. Yes, the moon is much smaller than
The Earth.
the Earth. Yes, its diameter is only about 1/4 that of the Earth. Its diameter is 2,160 miles. A diameter is a distance from one side of a circle to the other. Yes, circle here, diameter. See, the circle goes here. This is diameter right here. Beautiful. The distance from the Earth to the moon is about 238,855 miles. Repeat this number with me, okay? 238,000. 855 miles. The average, very good. The average temperature on the moon is
4 degrees Fahrenheit.
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 Very nice. The moon seems to change shape throughout the month. That happens because people only see the part of the moon which the sun lights up. Yes, that's why when you see the moon, sometimes looks like big or full moon, and then we have a quarter of the moon. Yes, and because you're only seeing the light of the sun and is reflected on the moon. Very nice. That happens, okay. The Earth travels around
The sun.
sun. The Earth travels around the sun. The moon travels around
The Earth.
the Earth. Very nice. When the moon is between the Earth and the sun, the moon looks
Dark.
dark to Earth.
Dark.
Yes, the sun is shining on its other side. The moon spins on its axis once every
27 days.
7 days or 28 days. Okay. An axis is an imaginary line through the moon from pole to pole. Yes, that's an imaginary line. Okay, that line like doesn't exist. It's just an imaginary. We can do that. The surface of the moon is made up of rock and
Dust.
Dust.
so rock and dust. Yes, the surface rock has been
Smashed.
smashed into pieces by many
Meteorites.
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 Yes, a meteorite is a rock which hits the moon from space. Heating and cooling during the day and night also break up the rock. The surface never changes because new rock is never made as it is on Earth. So that's why you see the moon with a lot of holes, you see? Because there are no more rocks to be like, over here we have, how do you call this? Erosion. I think it's when a rock moves to one place to another. Okay, craters on the moon were formed by the crash of meteorites against it. The largest craters are called
Basins.
yes. They range in size from a few inches to hundreds of miles across. Mountains thousands of feet high stand around the rim of these basins. Rilles are deep canyons made by flowing lava. Dark areas called Maria, which are the seas, were formed when giant craters were flooded by liquid rock leaking out from under the top layer of the moon. There is no wind or rain on the moon to move the dust around. So can you believe there's no wind, no rain, no nothing? And it during the day, hot. And what happens during the night? Is it hot or cold? What happens during the night? Is it hot or cold?
Okay.
Very cold. Why is it very cold? Because no atmosphere. Yes? Yes. All right, guys. That'll do it for today. We'll continue with this story tomorrow, guys. Okay? Today, have a lovely day for today. Thanks for your attention.
Bye, Mr.
Bye, mister.
Have a nice day.
Bye,
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.